Welcome to today's IRS tax refund update. In this video, we'll cover the next rounds of tax refunds scheduled for release, common refund delays affecting tax filers this year, IRS transcript codes, including tax topic 152, 151, and 203, what they mean for your refund. What happens if your direct deposit refund is returned to the IRS and when you can expect to receive your money? Let's dive into the latest updates. Latest tax refund releases. The IRS has confirmed that the next batches of tax refunds will be released on March 3rd and 4th. Direct deposit refunds. If your refund is part of this batch, it should be deposited into your bank account on or before the posted date, depending on your bank's processing times. Paper check refunds. If you are receiving a check by mail, expect it within 7 to 10 days of the refund date. However, allow up to 30 days before requesting a payment trace. Important tip: not all refund statuses will update online. If you haven't seen an update on the Where's My Refund tool, check your tax transcript for code 846, which confirms that your refund has been released. Understanding IRS tax topic codes. Many filers report seeing tax topic codes when checking their refund status. Here's what they mean. Tax topic 152. This is a normal processing message indicating that your tax return is still being processed. If you see this, no action is required. Tax topic 151. This indicates a potential issue with your return, possibly leading to a refund adjustment. You may receive a letter from the IRS explaining the situation. Tax topic 203. Your refund has been reduced due to an outstanding obligation such as past due child support, unpaid state taxes, or federal debts. Top reasons for IRS tax refund delays in 2025. Many tax filers are experiencing refund delays. Here are some of the most common causes. 1. Math errors on tax returns. If your return contains an entry error, the IRS may auto-correct it, but this can cause slight delays. In 2022, over 17 million tax returns contain math errors. 2. Income verification issues. If the IRS detects a discrepancy between the income you reported and what your employer submitted, your refund may be delayed for review. In this case, you might receive an IRS letter requesting additional documents. 3. IRS reviews for specific tax credits. Tax returns claiming certain credits like the Earned Income Tax Credit (EITC), Additional Child Tax Credit (ACTC), or Solar Credit may face additional IRS scrutiny, requiring more time to process. 4. Employer tax filings not yet processed. The IRS compares employer-reported wages with your tax return. If your employer's W-2 or 1099 has not yet been processed, it can delay your refund. 5. IRS identity verification hole. Even if you've never had identity theft issues, the IRS may randomly select your return for ID verification. You will need to complete this step before your refund is released. How to verify your ID if you receive an IRS 5071-C letter. Follow the instructions to verify your identity online to avoid further delays. 6. Paper tax returns take longer. If you filed a paper tax return, expect longer processing times because an IRS agent must manually enter your return into the system. Returned canceled refunds. What happens next? Some filers accidentally enter incorrect bank information when requesting direct deposit. Here's what happens if your refund is sent to the wrong bank account. The bank will reject the deposit and return the funds to the IRS. You'll see IRS code 841 on your tax transcript once the IRS receives the return payment. The IRS will then mail you a paper check to the address on file within 4 to 6 weeks. Important: you cannot change your bank details after filing your return. You must wait for the IRS to process the returned funds and send your check by mail. Final thoughts: are you experiencing refund delays or tax return issues? Let us know in the comments below. We'll continue to monitor the latest IRS updates and share new information as it becomes available. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe for the latest IRS refund updates. Turn on notifications so you don't miss any important news. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next update.